Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you all? Friends, today we will learn the alphabet Q. Q. First one is capital Q and second one is small q. And small q look like a 9. And the sound of Q is Q, ko. Q, ko. These are the things that start with alphabet Q. Q qua queen, Q qua quill, Q qua question, Q qua quilt. Okay friends, today we learn the alphabet Q and the sound of Q. Q qua quilt, Q qua queen, Q qua quill, Q qua question. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.